I welcome you all on the behalf of Department of English, Mata Gandhi Mahavidyalaya Vairak. Myself, Dr. Mote R.V., Assistant Professor, Department of English, Mata Gandhi Mahavidyalaya Vairak. Students, today we will discuss the syllabus of BA Part 3, paper number 7, Introduction to Literary Criticism for semester 5. So what are the contents in the syllabus? Let's have a brief look. The first unit is Introduction to Art and Literature. So there are certain subunits in this unit. So the first is what is art. So in this unit we'll try to identify what the meaning of the word art is, as well as we try to take some definitions of the word art. And then the second unit is distinction between mechanical arts and fine arts. So there are two types of arts. First is fine art, second is mechanical art. So what is the difference between fine arts and mechanical arts? We will try to understand from this section. And the third unit is literature as a fine art. So we will consider different examples of fine arts, and then we will consider literature as a fine art. And then we will try to take some we try to understand the nature of a literature. In this we will take some definitions, some characteristics or features of literature. The last section from this unit is function of literature. So what are the functions of literature? We will discuss in detail in this section. So this is the first unit, Introduction to Art and Literature, and there are 5 subpoints, and these 5 subpoints we will try to understand in this unit. The second unit for this paper is Principles of Literary Criticism. So here also there are subsections, and these are the 4 subsections. First, definition of a criticism. We try to understand the meaning of the term criticism. We'll take some definitions of a criticism. Then we'll elaborate the concept of a criticism in the nature of a criticism. We'll try to find out some functions of criticism in the third section, that is function of a criticism. And at the last, we'll try to understand what are the qualifications of a good critic. So whom we can call critic? What are the qualifications of a critic? We try to summarize these qualifications in that section. And the third section of this paper is critical approaches to literature. Friends, there are 3 approaches. First is a biographical approach. So in this approach, we try to understand how the biography of the author plays a major part to understand or to comprehend a piece of literature. And this approach or this method of study is a very popular in traditional or this method is called a traditional method to understand the literature. The second approach is psychological approach. So in this approach we try to understand the psychology of the author during the writing of a piece of literature. Or here also we can understand the psychology of the characters. Even the psychology of the reader is also matter to comprehend the text. Sigmund Freud, a great psychologist, has explained certain concepts. These concepts we will try to elaborate in this approach. The third approach is a sociological approach. As we know that literature is nothing but mirror to society. So we cannot separate literature and society. So sociological approach also plays a very vital role to understand the literature. So these are the 3 approaches, or we can call it methods, to understand the literature. So we will discuss these 3 approaches or 3 methods to understand the literature very in detail. Now the last section is literary and critical terms or concepts. There are 26 terms or concepts, or we can call there are some figure of speeches also. So let's have what are these terms and concepts. So friends, these are the 26 concepts we are going to discuss in this semester. First is a metaphor. As we all know that metaphor is a figure of speech. Simile is also there. Symbol, imagery, conceit, irony, satire, hyperbole, parody, alliteration, allegory, apostrophe, aesthetics, comic relief, conceit, dramatic monologue, epic theatre, existentialism, hamartia or tragic flaw, soliloquies, Oedipus complex, poetic justice, pathetic fallacy, etc. So these terms, we will take the definition of these terms and we will take some examples to understand this term. So these are the 26 terms for this paper. So this is a brief introduction of the syllabus of Introduction to Literary Criticism, paper number 7, semester 5th of BA part 3. The syllabus was designed by Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar, Solapur Vidyapith, Solapur. So we will discuss in detail all these 4 units during this semester. Thank you very much for your cooperation and patience.